Meanwhile, a crackdown's underway on illegal food truck operators in Shreveport. At Monday's Public Safety Committee meeting, Shreveport Police Chief Wayne Smith told the council members that officers stepped up enforcement on unlicensed vendors, towing trailers and writing citations. This all was last weekend.
So when you cite them that night, what happens? Do you tell them to shut down?
That is correct.
Do they normally comply?
One didn't.
One kept selling after you cited him?
We told it.
Anybody selling food on any lot in Shreveport must have 2 permits and a health department permit. Officers also plan to add food truck rules to next year's training and warn that tents without trucks are illegal.